So this is to Jamie. Jamie like Foxx. He's on the phone right now.
And yeah, we met Jamie at Universal.
Yeah.
Universal.
Okay, say something, Jamie.
Hello.
Oh,
this is your video, Jamie.
Yeah, it's your video. So you're lucky you're about to be on YouTube right now, Jamie, with your voice. Aren't you happy that we're making you a video? That means you're special. Yeah,
Jamie like Foxx.
Jamie like Foxx on the phone. Woo -woo. So tell your viewers something. Jamie. Tell your viewers something. Tell them that you love them. Tell them that you love us. I love Rain in Miami.
Yeah, that. Oh, snap.
Rudeness.
Where's Robert?
I don't even know. Oh, he's in Kansas.
Huh?
He's in Kansas.
He still is?
When's the last time? Oh, where's your cousin? Where's your cousin?
Upstairs.
Oh.
Rain wants to talk to him.
Really?
Hello?
Wow.
Ah! Hey, you're gonna see that whole little scene on the video that we just did right now. Okay. How's your Christmas break going?
Great.
Where have you been?
Everywhere.
Sure. Everywhere.
But on this too.
Ah! Yeah, so we just wanted to make you a video because you were kind of special.
Awesome.
Huh?
He's not kind of special. He's really special.
Rain said that you're really special.
Thanks.
Huh?
Thanks.
Thanks. You're supposed to say you're really special too, Rain.
Fuck that.
You're
Fuck it.
really special too, man.
Fuck you, Jamie.
In Miami.
In Miami.
And Harmony.
You know,
What?
you remember Harmony from
From the universe.
Oh my gosh.
The one that you were supposed to give a hug to?
Yeah.
Yes. You love her too.
What?
You love her too.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
You love her too, Jamie.
Yeah, you do. You love her.
Funny. I don't love anyone.
Oh, that's jacked up.
No, except for my mom.
Dang, we should not make you this video then. We're gonna put this on YouTube and you being mean on your video.
I'm not being mean.
Oh, your dog's on crack.
Shake it off. Shake it.
Yeah.
Why are y'all doing a video early this morning?
Because
It's not early. It's 12 o'clock.
my god.
It's 12:30.
Wow, 12:30. Who makes a video at 12:30?
We do. Because we're thugs.
We're pimps.
So say goodbye to the people on your video, you non-loving
Y'all gonna
person.
be here today.
Huh?
Today we're probably gonna. Oh, you can hang on Jamie. Jamie. The Grove.
Can me and my cousin come up here and like chill with y'all? Or what?
Maybe you can come by yourself
Why by myself?
because you're more loved than your cousin.
Damn, that's what's up.
No, it isn't. It's just honest.
Alright.
You gonna come up there by yourself?
I can't be caught slipping, so.
You can't be caught. What?
Slipping.
Slipping.
Yeah.
What the hell is slipping?
Like you jump.
Oh. Why would you get jumped? People love Jamie like Foxx.
I'm hated on.
By who?
A lot of niggas. I gotta have some type of security with me.
Harmony face.
Oh, well, Harmony's gonna be there for your cousin, too. She wanted to.
Alright. That's what's up. I'm not gonna tell him how,
That's mean.
Oh, that just made my day.
You so stupid.
Jamie, like Fox.
Anyway.
You really watch cartoons, huh?
Shut up, nigga.
Alright, Jamie, well, we'll see you at the Grove. You coming? You rolling through?
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Like when I'm on the way.
alright, what time you gonna be up there?
Probably about like 7, 6.
No, come at 6.
Yeah.
6?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all better be up there, man.
We will.
Alright.
Alright. Bye.
And that was to Jamie.